Hi, and welcome back to the myHopscotch.com video series on how to buy or lease a new or used vehicle. The question that we'll answer now is how to make the most of your test drive experience at the dealership. And by the way, the answer, the end if you will, is very surprising, so you'll want to watch this. Regardless of what has influenced you to land on the model that you want from the dealership, we always recommend that you take an informed test drive of that vehicle. Because after all, for many people, this is among the biggest purchases they'll ever make in their entire lives. This video covers exactly how to get the absolute most out of a test drive. Like all other steps in negotiating a great deal, you need to do this at each dealer you visit, but it needs to be done correctly. And I'll start at the end with a tremendous surprise. Right after the test drive, you know what you do? You thank the salesperson for the test drive and you leave the dealership. That's right, you leave the dealership. We'll get back into why this is so important later in the video, why it's so important to leave the dealership. But now that you're on the test drive, make it as much like your real life car usage as possible. If you've got family and friends you do a lot of driving with, bring them along for the test drive. It's not just a drive around the block. Go on roads and freeways like the ones you, your family, and friends usually drive on. Second, before the test drive even starts, put your salesperson to the task. Have them show you all the buzzers and whistles on the vehicle and how to use them, including the safety features, the Bluetooth phone, the safety technology, and the sound system. Absolutely everything. And on the test drive, feel free to use those buzzers and whistles, because after all, your comfort level with the vehicle, now with the increasing technology in vehicles, is so dependent on how intuitive these technologies, the sound system, the Bluetooth, the safety features are to control. Now, on the test drive, and this is important, evaluate the sales consultant. This is like a final exam for them. If they know their stuff and listen to your needs, chances are they will want to continue to work hard for you to get you a great deal. And then do not step foot back in that dealership showroom after the test drive, let alone buy a car on the same day as a test drive. This will be another big test in your discipline in following the process of getting the best deal to a T. Simply thank the salesperson, say goodbye, and if you have not already had them follow up with you, have them follow up with you with their personal contact information and any other details on the vehicle that you drove. Why is leaving the dealership so critical? Well, dealerships have tried and true processes to turn shoppers into customers the same day as the test drive. And an unprepared shopper who is emotionally charged and has fallen in love with the car on the test drive is ripe for a disastrous deal for the customer. Trust us, many dealerships will try to get you back in the showroom to put together some numbers right when you are enamored with the car, not after you have had a chance to cool off, let alone shop at least 2 other dealerships to get your best deal.